I've been waiting for you. I'm pretending, and that's all I can do. The love I'm sending, it'll make it in through to your heart. You've been hiding, never letting it show, always trying, keep it under control. You got it down, and you went on your way to the top. But it's something that you forgot. What about love? Won't you want someone to care about you? And what about love? To let it slip away. And what about love? I only want to share with you. You might need it someday. These dreams go on when I close my eyes. Every second of the night, I live another life. These dreams that sleep when it's cold outside. Every moment I'm awake, the further I'm away. Is looking like, oh, could it be spring or fall? I walk without a gun for a stingless one. Flicker in my eyesight, the candle in the green, and the words that have no fun are falling from my lips. These dreams go on when I close my eyes. Every second of the night, I live another life. These dreams that sleep when it's cold outside. Every moment I'm awake, the further I'm away. There's something out there I can't Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cared, so I met you, and now it kills me till the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I wanted to touch you inside, hold you tight. No, you don't know how long I have waited, and now it's gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is in my own. And my love you still I know. Till now, they always come by on my own. I never really cared until I met you.